Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. My name is Tommy Kenny. I'm coming to you live from the Forest Ridge Apartments, and we are going to be talking about how to use RadioReference.com, what's the importance about it, and what do you need to know if you want to become a scanner person and a scanner enthusiast. So please come and join me while we start our pleasant little voyage along with the radio scanners. Alright, starting with this website. I'll be putting it in a description below. It's called RadioReference.com. Alright. It has like frequencies like for your sheriff's office, wherever you want to listen to, your fire department, your emergency management, your EMS, and then it goes for your police dispatch, your fire dispatch, your power and light, your gas department, your housing authority, Henderson County government services. We are not going down through the basics tonight, because if we go through the basics tonight, it would take about 3 parts in a video. So promise me, if I start to do this real long, please let me know. Now you guys see this thing about the bus operations. All you guys want to do, if you guys want to look at some about bus operations, all you gotta do is do boom, 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 and you click. See, we click on Henderson County Rapid Transit, we click on the official website, and this is what it looks like. Requirements, how to catch a bus, so this is about the Riverwalk. Now this is their main trunk system. I want you guys to understand that there are a difference from trunk systems and regular systems. Trunk systems are like for statewide use, but different areas do not use these. Like you guys see, there's like one for the countywide fire dispatch, EMS dispatch, EMA, sheriff's dispatch, Sumter County Jail, state EMS, HER, MAC 1 EMS operations, schools, and Sumter County Regional Medical Center. And after that we go down. You guys see there's a couple next, so that means that's P25. We look at this one. We just stay on this one for about, I don't know, we're going to stay on this one for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're actually going to do an example tonight. So to get back showing you guys this, so we are looking at analog operations. There's this. Then there's their fire department. And after that we just look around. There's just different stuff. Alright. Please pay attention for part 2 of this video. I'll be posting it. Thank you. Goodbye.